Hello everyone, hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Tulsi and I am back with another art video. Today I am making a custom made nameplate for my home. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So first I took this MDF board and gave a coating of wall putty and did a bit of sandpapering so that the surface becomes soft. Next gave a base of white paint to it. Later on, with the help of a paper cutting, I drew a shape in the center of the board. These are the things we'll be requiring. The Fevicryl mold it, few shapes of mirrors to decorate it. And this is how it turns out after the Fevicryl molded work is done. Once that is done, I took a small piece of paper, cut it into a desired shape I wanted, and then I am drawing the same shape on the outer surface. This is how the pattern looks once all the drawing is done. The next step is painting the entire frame. And here we go, this is how the board looks after the complete painting is done. Next step is we are sticking the mirrors, so you need to be very patient for this. I had already decided which mirror goes where, and accordingly I had given the border. The size of the border is decided accordingly. This is the outer border done. Now we are going with the inner border. And here we go, inner border is done as well, and look how pretty it's already looking. Some more mirror work in the background to be done. Now for the name, I've already chosen a font and printed it. Now with the help of a carbon paper, I will replicate the font on the board, and this is how it looks after the painting is done. Our nameplate is ready to go to the wall, and this is the hook I am using. I'll leave the link for the same if you want to buy it. I brought it from Meesho. And ta-da! Look how beautiful it is looking. I'll be later adding a varnish coat to it so that it is protected. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to comment down your views in the comment section below, and for more such videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Until then, bye. If you wish to see more art videos, you can go and click over here. If you wish to see festival special videos, you can go and click over here. And to subscribe to my channel, click over here.